Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. This video is related to the Autocad app which is available on Play Store. So let's begin. So in the typer command, you can just type the command which you want. For example, line. There are different drawing commands as well, like line, polyline, rectangle, arc, circle. Then you can also add text to the drawings through mtext. If you have quick time, then dimensions, you can check the dimensions as well. So in setting, you can just turn the architectural settings. The precision you can change according to your drawing. Then turn the scale into feet and inches. You can also insert blocks. So in the layer, you can just make the layer you want. For example, I'm making a furniture layer over here. You can select the color according to your drawing requirement. Then thickness according to your drawing requirement as well. So this is done. So in the properties, you can see the properties of the layers which you had made. So I'm just creating a bed with side table as an example. So I'm taking 5 feet 6 inch by 7 feet bed. Then a side table. I'm taking 1 feet 6 inch by 1 feet 6 inch bed, side table. So you can see the difference. So I'll just move this. I'll select this and move this. Now I'll just give a offset of at least 1 inch or 0.5 inch. It depends on the requirement. It depends on the thickness which you are considering. And this is just an example, so I'm just giving 0.5 thickness. Now I'm giving a planter on the sideboard. I'll create a layer for it. Again, I'll select the color and the thickness of the layer. Say we'll select this object and we'll change the layer to plant layer. Now I want this in the center, so I'll just make a X or polyline. This is looking way bigger than the side table, so I'll just scale this. I'll use a polyline command to make a cross over here, X or a cross. We'll select this object and move this to the center. Now I'll just select this and mirror this. I'll select this on bed rectangle, so I'll just give an offset. Again, it depends on the thickness you want to give or the offset you want to give. I'll select a rectangle. Okay, so I just forgot to turn off the layer to change the layer, so I just will go back and change the setting, change the layer setting. And we'll set this as current layer. So again the same procedure, I'll just select this and we'll mirror this. Now mostly the bed in the side table has been done, so I'll just it's optional, but I'll just make a quilt portion. Again it's optional, but I'm just decorating the quilt portion with line pattern. It's optional, you can skip this. I'll repeat the same procedure in the bottom portion. I'll just select this, move this, and we'll offset it. This app is very convenient for those who don't have laptop or while traveling to provide drawings. I'll just copy this. We'll do the same procedure for the below portion. Instead of 1 inch, I'm giving 0.9 inch. Definitely depends on your design. So this is just a drawing which I'm showing. You can make the design according to your requirements, according to your design wish. So I'll just select this and we'll mirror this. Also tell me what should be the next video and what are the apps which you are thinking of, like I should make a review or a use video of it. So this looks complete, but I just think I'll just add a carpet portion over here. Just a random rectangle, that's it. I'll just select a rectangle over here. We'll trim the portion which is coming on the bed. I'll change the layer as the furniture layer. Carpet is looking similar to the furniture layer, so I just will create a new layer for it. Now it looks completed. I'll just save this and we'll just send this. You can send this